In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Steam Games to Taskbar in Windows 10. If you want quick, one-click access to your favorite game right from the bottom of your screen, this is a simple, reliable way to do it, and it works seamlessly with Steam. First, open File Explorer. We're going to navigate to where Steam installs your game files. By default, that's usually on your system drive under Program Files, then the Steam folder, then Steam Apps, and then Common. Inside the Common folder, you'll see a list of folders named after each game you've installed. Open the folder for the game you want to pin. Inside the Games folder, you're looking for the main executable file, which ends with .exe. It's often named after the game itself. If you don't see file extensions, let's turn them on to make this easier. At the top of File Explorer, click the View tab and check the box for file name extensions. Now you'll clearly see which files end in .exe. Many games include several executables, like a launcher and the actual game. The one you want is typically the one with the game's name, not something labeled launcher or configuration. Once you've located the correct .exe file, right-click it and choose Pin to Taskbar. That's it. Windows immediately adds the game's icon to your taskbar, so you can launch it with a single click anytime. When you use that pinned icon, Steam will automatically start in the background if it isn't already running, and it will handle any necessary sign-ins or updates before your game opens. This means you get the convenience of a direct shortcut without bypassing Steam's normal process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.